Yo, spread lang, spread ah. Ingat sa bomb squad ah, baka may bomb yan. Dep, may W ka?
Oh, ready na.
Ready mo lang. King, fake front in. Fake front now, fake front now. Walk in guys, walk in. No, come back, come back, come back. Come back. Sa gate lang, King, sa gate.
Pagkod sa akin.
Okay, careful ah. Yo, everyone, at the gate in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. At the gate now, at the gate now. No, come back, come back, come back, come back. Defend, 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 defend. Hold, 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 hold. Hold, shell, hold.
Light color bomb sila. Ingat.
Okay, let caller bomb. Hold, 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 hold.
Hindi yung W ko.
Sa east side lagi yung baboy.
Get ready for defend ah.
55%
Defend, ah.
55% yung gate.
Yo, King, King. Fake, fake now, fake now, fake now. Gate, gate. Yo, everyone. Southeast. In 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. At the gate now, at the gate now, at the gate now, at the gate now. Now, come back, 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 come back. Come back,
Yo,
come back.
east side stacking, east side stacking. Bomb coming. Care.
Yo, yo, defend, 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 defend. Okay, DPS on my north now. Get ready. You spread lang, spread lang, spread.
Gate's about to break.
Ayun, guys,
6%.
Yep, yep, yep.
6%.
Okay. Just hold, just def, defend. Now at the gate in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Everything at the gate now, everything at the gate now. Now come back north. Keep healing. Come back. Pull in. Come back. Click the gate. Just click the gate. Click gate. Keep healing. Regroup. Defend the dead course. Dead caller. Keep healing. Keep healing. We're gonna engage in 5 seconds. Get ready. Now look at the gate in 5 seconds. East in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Everything at the gate now. Nice one. Spread. Come back west. Come back. Get ready to defend here. Spread. Just hold. Hug the walls lang sa northwest. Hug the wall northwest lang. Spread. Look at the gap. Gate. Get ready 5 seconds again Hold. Give me a fake, King. Give me a fake now. Fake now. Okay, nice fake. Now look at east at the gate in 5,
Wait.
4, 3, 2, 1. At the gate now. Pull southwest.
19% kita.
Yeah.
Care.
Click gate. At the other side. Click gate now. Click gate now. Get ready to defend Just use W sa tanks lang sa front. Yo, come back. Left tank, come back.
Nasa MC.
Let them come. Pull them in. You careful. Anong, may tao ata sa labas? Nagbabak sila.
Hindi, parang pinupulatan nila tayo.
Meron nga, TFD sa likod.
Ay,
Yo,
meron.
everyone.
Di sa likod.
Come northeast, everyone. Northeast, walk with me now. Walk with me. East. Look at this tank. In 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. On this tank. Now come back and spread west. Come back west. Peel them. Left tank. Peel, get ready, defend wala. Puro ano yan. Okay, defend ready Defend ready. Now, hold. Use yung W's nga. Use yung W's. Get ready, defend. Defend. Now, walk in with them. Come outside. Walk in. Look at these D-tanks at the south on us. In 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Everything is... Come back. Just come back. Press the gate, guys. Press the gate. Help the front now. Help the front. Heal the front. Heal the D-tanks. Just hold.
Wala akong stock, wait lang.
Just hold. Yo, give me fake. Get ready, defend. King, fake now. Now look at his deep tanks in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1 at the gate now. Very nice. Now, just hold, just keep healing. Get ready to defend, get ready to defend the front. Defend. Oh no, that's a fake. It's a fake. Heal the DB.
Ah, okay.
Okay, get ready lang. Okay, defend. Help me. I'm dead.
Hold. Come back. Just hold here.
Dalawa pa
Ay.
tayo.
Alakat.
Yo, hold west side. Yo, just hold that. Yo, they're gonna walk in soon, Yo, shallow northeast, get ready. Wait, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Shallow northeast now. Shallow. Defend, full defend, okay? Hold on, boys, hold on. Yo, gate's about to break, careful. Come back north. Left down, hold them, Yo, bomb coming. West side, kayo. Ay, come back now. How many seconds? Yo, 17, ano to? Come back.
17%. Second time.
20, load. Come back, wait.
Okay, sa choke, mapupull kayo ng goal.
Tinira sila ng left sa likod na.
Hold. Yo, just spread west side. Yo, once gate breaks, just click west side gate. Don't be at the north side, okay? Just hold. Right? Careful, Careful. Yo, left get ready to stop, Get ready to stop. Just hold, okay? Careful, shallow. They haven't engaged yet. Northeast on the choke, get ready. Southeast, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Every southeast now, boys. Southeast now. Spread. Ready defenses, spread. Pull up now. Heal up. Now, brawl now. Heal up here. Everyone heal up here. Brawl now. Yo, just brawl here. Get ready, Yo, find me. Look at north side on the choke. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. North side on the choke now. North side by the choke now. Clap this. And spread. Click gate west side. If you're low, okay? Careful, they're gonna engage inside. Careful inside, boys. Okay, left down, start healing, okay? Just hold, boys. Okay? Yo, walk out. East side, 5, 4 in the middle, 3, 2, 1 in the middle now, boys. In the middle. More damage. I come back now. Yo, ready defenses, Just hold west side, boys. Hold west side. Mom coming, heal up. Heal up west side, okay? Heal up. Hold on, okay? You walk up now, east side, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. East side now, boys. East side now. Defense now. Heal up, boys. Heal up my people. Okay, just hold west side, okay? Hold na kayo dyan, hindi sila labas. Heals. Where's my healers?
May 2 healers pa.
Down yung healer, nasa
Ingat
tag-north.
kayo,
Natira kami sa kabilang healer.
Nasa taas yung puro mga healer natin.
Okay, wait, come back to southeast now. Southeast shallow, 5. Wait, heal me, guys.
Ay na, nagdang pa ako ng agila.
Kaya gilang daw.
Sure?
Come.
Sure, Roy?
Yo,
Nagagang
shallow east side, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Shallow east side now.
Patay ka ng balon wait.
Ready defense
Mamatay na.
Yo, come back. Click it again, boys. Come back. Ay, come back. Hold on, okay? I walk up with me. Everyone walk up with me. How many seconds CD? Walk up with me. How many seconds CD? Walk up with me. Walk up. Come back south. Careful on the choke. Spread south side, boys. Spread south side. Alright, ready defenses, spread south side. Yo, bomb's gonna look. Careful. Bomb's gonna look. Careful, spread. Alright. Ready defenses. Hold only.
Gagong lang.
Healing. Okay, wait. Yo, get ready. On the choke. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Everything now on the choke. Left this. More damage. Alright, come back. Spread outside. Careful. They're gonna engage soon. Careful, boys. Yo, peel. Defense now. Oh my god, no defenses.
Wait.
Come back.
Ako yung medo nung club.
Come back. Heal up.
Konti lang yung middle.
Dito na ako.
Wait natin yung yung iba kasi may ganker.
May tao sa west side, sa south west.
Ako na baloni.
Yan.
Wait mo si baloni. ganker.
Nasa ano sila? Robin.
Wait muna dito siguro.
Just open the chest for points. Don't take loot, don't take loot. Wait.
Di ba bigyan nila?
Sabay-sabay na tayo papasok sa Rabinta.
Gusto mo pa ba na isa pa ba? Bologna?
Pag nata. Ay na. Ikaw na lang mag-call, ano? Mogi.
Ano, dito mo. Okay.
Yes na, okay na.
Balik na?
So yan, nag-OC pa ako. Yung Meadow, narat nung club.
Pero tayo yung nag-open
Ibigay
na.
nila yung loot mo, okay?
Sir.
Sa atin ulit. Para tulong.
Oh.
May mga bugs dyan.
Guys, yung nandito, tara na. Punta natin.
Naka-push to top pa naman yung mic ko. Na-excuse eh, push na naman.
May namatay ba sa kanila? May napatay tayo.
Tara, baka pa natin guys.
Dalawa lang ata dapat.
Putang kunat par.
5M pa natitira dito. Putang ina, low.
Ang ko nagagalit kasi hindi nyo ini-heal, healers. What's your excuse?
Overloaded kaagad ako. Paano ako? Patulong ako dito. Putang ina. 213% na ako.
Pero,
Baka talaga na gank baloning. Lapit mo na pala.
Kaya nga, tangin na.
na-absorb yung engages.
Oo, nakakabsog.
Absorb natin.
Pero kasi nagpapanik na kayo kapag nasa loob natin sila. Tapos,